All of you mute your devices, please. Right. So I taught you daily routine, do questions and does questions. Right, guys? Do and does I taught you. And will questions in tomorrow form. Will questions I taught you. And did questions also. That means do questions and positive negative sentences. Does questions and positive negative sentences. Will questions and positive negative. Did questions positive and negative. These many topics I taught you. Right, guys? Now I am going to do, means here I am going to take a revision which is comparison. Okay na? So comparison of sentences. You have to choose single verb form and you have to arrange all questions. Okay? So one by one I'll explain you guys. So do questions. Do questions are daily routine questions. Daily routine activities we ask here. And do questions are do is using for you, we, they subjects. Okay? So here I am arranging you subject. Okay? Do you, do we, do they. With these subjects we arrange these questions. Okay? So now my question is, do you eat? Okay, eat verb form I am taking. So do you eat? What it is? Non-veg. Do you eat non-veg? I'll explain. Object after time word, right? So sometimes is my time word. Do you eat non-veg? Sometimes. So like this we have to arrange two questions. Do place, subject place, verb one place, object place, time word. Okay? So like this we have to arrange. Then how do answer means? Whenever we have you subject in question, we need to say answer with I. Okay? Remaining part is same as guys. Next negative is I after you have to say don't. Why? Because it's a do question, right? So you have to arrange don't after the subject. Then remaining part is as it is. But you have to pronounce, means you have to say total sentence at a time. Okay, here three sentences are there. One is question and one is positive answer, one is negative answer. If you say yes and you are saying positive answers. If you are saying no, it's a negative answer, right? So whenever you say any sentence, that may be question, positive sentence, negative sentence, say from starting to ending at a time. Okay? Do you eat non-veg sometimes? Like this. Yes, I eat non-veg sometimes. No, I don't eat non-veg sometimes. Okay, guys? So, like this, everyone arrange one question and tell me. Question, positive sentence and negative sentence. Okay? Why? Because I want to check how many of you perfect. Okay?
Madam.
Yes, madam. Just a moment, madam. Don't say already you arrange your questions, guys. Now you have to arrange and you have to say sentences. Okay? Don't say already. Aruna madam is connecting again. Okay. Now you have to arrange. Now. Okay? Don't say already arranged sentences. Yes, ma'am. Tell me. Have you any doubt, madam? Rajita, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Are you saying sentences?
Do you drink coffee
Madam,
every day?
1 minute. You had to call anyone in the class and ask your questions to them.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Madam, I tell.
Madam,
Madam.
here, listen. Here I am not saying say question positive, negative. One is asking question, another one is replying in positive and negative. అంటే మనం మాట్లాడి మనమే క్వశ్చన్ చేసి మనమే ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్పడం మనకి ఈజీ. బట్ ఇఫ్ అదర్స్ ఆస్క్ హౌ డు వి రెస్పాండ్, మనం ఎలా రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వాలి మరి? అవుతామా లేదా? ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద క్వశ్చన్? ఆర్ యూ ఏబుల్ టు రిప్లై బ్యాక్ properly or not? I'll check here. Okay, Rajita madam, select anyone and ask your question.
Madam, Aruna madam. Madam, Aruna madam.
Ma'am, say madam.
Do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I drink coffee every day. No, I don't.
I didn't.
I don't coffee. I don't drink coffee every day.
Yes ma'am, yes, correct. Now Aruna madam, you can ask question.
Okay, madam. Do they speak English regularly?
Yes.
Yes, I speak English regularly. No, I didn't.
Aruna madam, are they correct answers?
Madam, one second, madam. Here, network problem, madam.
Okay, I can understand.
Okay, say, Aruna, madam, one second, you can tell.
Madam, repeat the question.
Do they speak English regularly?
Yes, I spoke.
Madam, verb one only.
Verb one, madam. Yes, we speaking.
Are they correct sentences madam?
Oh. Madam, నేను అక్కడ దే యూజ్ చేసిన కదా మేడం.
You can correct madam, you can correct. If they are not saying, you can correct the sentences. Okay.
Yeah, madam. Yes, this.
Madam, once again repeat the question please. Aruna madam. Aruna madam. Madam is there in the class.
Aruna madam, my network is too slow, ma'am.
Okay. Aruna madam has network issue. Right. What Aruna madam asked that question, I will ask you madam. Do they speak English regularly? Rajita ma'am. Rajita madam, are you there?
Madam, yes.
Yeah. Do they speak English regularly?
Madam, they.
Do they speak English regularly? దేతో క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ కూడా దేతోనే ఉండాలి కదా మేడం. దే.
అదే మేడం. Yes, they speak English regularly. No, didn't speak English regularly.
Didn't or don't?
Don't.
Yes, that's you have to. Yeah madam, that's the confusion. So whenever you use do question, you should say negative here, don't. Okay. So they speak, they don't speak. You have to underline up to verb form. It's easy for you. Right. Okay, good. You have to mute your device, madam. Rajita madam. Next, any two members, please.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Madam.
Yes, ma'am.
I am hello, ma'am.
Baleshwari madam.
Hello, Shiva. Yes, ma'am. Baleshwari, ma'am. Shiva. I am madam. Madam, are you going Ramkonda day after tomorrow?
Madam, Baleshwari madam, select in, I am saying name no. So whose name I am saying, they can speak, remaining can mute. Baleshwari madam, whom are you asking?
Yes, madam. Bhagya madam, ma'am.
Okay, Bhagya madam unmute, remaining all mute your devices, guys.
Okay, ma'am. Saying, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
do we watch movies sometimes? Bhagya madam, say.
Yes. 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 We watch movie sometime. No, we don't watch movies regularly.
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Yes. Okay, same. You had to
I am
remember
asking.
that. Okay, good. Now, Bhagya madam, you can ask a question to Baleshwari madam now.
Do you dance regularly?
Yes, I dance regularly. I don't dance regularly.
Okay, na madam? Any doubts, both of you? No doubts?
No, ma'am.
Right. So, mute your devices, both of you. Okay, next, anyone guys, anyone unmute? It will appears me. It appears me.
Ma'am, Shiva.
Shiva madam, yes. Shiv Kumar madam, right. Shiv Kumar sir, right. Shiva Kumar sir, call anyone sir and ask your questions. Have you any doubts sir? First tell me that clear. Let me take clarification. Have you any doubt Shiva Kumar
In
sir?
that topic,
Yeah. Have you any
no doubt, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Shiv Kumar sir, call anyone and ask your question sir.
Venkateshwarama, madam.
Okay, done. Venkateshwaramma madam, only unmute your device. Both Shivakumar sir and Venkateshwaramma madam has to unmute. Remaining all mute your devices. Venkateshwaramma madam, are you ready?
Ready, ma'am.
Yes. Sir, you can ask your question.
Do you celebrate Vaishnavi's birthday Monday?
Sir. Sir. 1 minute please. Here repeating time word you have to say sir. Repeating time word. Every year you have to say.
Do you celebrate the birthday? You time birthday every year.
Do you celebrate birthday?
Do you celebrate
Mm.
every year?
Yes.
Sorry.
Do you celebrate birthday every year? Correct.
Yes, I celebrate birthday every year. No, I don't celebrate birthday every year.
Yes. Now your turn, madam. You can ask to Shivakumar sir now.
Okay, ma'am. Do you ask a pen sometimes? Ma'am, repeat the question.
Do you ask pen sometimes?
Do you ask a pen sometimes? Yes, I ask a pen sometimes. No, I don't ask a pen sometimes.
Yes, good. Both of you nice guys. Mute your devices, both of you.
Thank
Next,
you, ma'am.
anyone unmute? Next,
Thank you,
anyone?
ma'am.
Yes, sir. Next, anyone? Unmute your device, guys. Who didn't say the question? Fast. Okay.
I am, ma'am.
Yes, Vakla ma'am. Good. Vakla
Krishnaveni
madam, call
Yes, ma'am.
anyone and ask your question.
Krishnaveni madam.
Okay, done. Krishnaveni madam.
Madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Do we go to Ramkonda day after tomorrow?
Madam, not day after
we
tomorrow.
go to
We are
Ramkund?
repeating action. Every week, every month, every year. రిపీట్ అయ్యేటటువంటి టైం వర్డ్ అంటే రిపీట్ అవుతూ ఉండాలి ఆ టైం. ఓకే మేడం, ఫ్యూచర్ టైం కాదు, రిపీట్ అవ్వాలి. డైలీ రొటీన్ మేడం. రొటీన్ అంటే రిపీట్ అవ్వడం కదా. సో మీరు ఏ టైం వర్డ్ చెప్పినా ఆ టైం రిపీట్ అవ్వాలి.
Do you go to every year Ramkonda?
Do you go to Ramkonda every year? In every occasion, every holidays.
Yes.
Iష్టం.
Say madam, Akla madam. Yes, I go to every year Ramkonda.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, I go to Ramkonda every year.
Yes. You are right.
Yes, madam. Yes, I go
Negative
to
now.
Ramkunda every year.
Yes, I go to
Every year last say, madam.
Time word
Madam,
you
you
had
yes,
to say
yes,
last.
yes, I go to Ramkonda every year.
Yes, time word has
Okay.
to say at last. Then it is understanding easily. Right. Negative
Yes.
answer, madam. No?
No, I don't go Ramkonda every year.
Yes. No, I don't go to Ramkunda every year. Yes, good. Madam, now your turn to ask a question.
Okay, madam.
Madam, fast.
Do you do
Hmm.
First, madam.
Madam, do it fast. Time is
Wait,
wasting,
madam.
no?
do you go to
Hmm.
madam?
Madam, look at
Wait,
here.
madam.
Look at here
Madam,
and
I
arrange the
say
question.
ma'am. I tell me ma'am.
Madam, wait. వెయిట్ వై బికాజ్ ఇక్కడ వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకంటే రాని వాళ్ళకి మనం హెల్ప్ చేయడం ఇంపార్టెంట్. వై బికాజ్ దిస్ రివిజన్ దే హ్యావ్ టు ఇంప్రూవ్ దేర్ స్పీకింగ్ స్కిల్. ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్, లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ డౌట్, దే విల్ క్లారిఫై. ఓకే మేడం. సో వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు కాదు, రాని వాళ్ళు ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓకే, డన్. మేడం, లుక్ ఎట్ ద బోర్డ్ వన్స్. డూ యూ ఓకే అరేంజ్ వన్ వర్బ్ వన్.
Okay.
వర్బ్ వన్ చెప్పండి మేడం. నెక్స్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అరేంజ్ చేయండి.
Okay.
టైం వర్డ్ చెప్పండి. రైట్ ఎనీవేర్ అండ్ సే. నో ప్రాబ్లం, బట్ సే ఫాస్ట్లీ. సే ఫాస్ట్, నాట్ ఫాస్ట్లీ, ఫాస్ట్.
Madam, make madam verb one.
మేడం,
Make madam, make.
ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ టెల్ మీ నౌ టోటల్. డూ యూ మేక్, వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్, ఏంటది?
Chapati.
డూ యూ మేక్ చపాతి. ఎప్పుడు?
Do you make sweet every
Yesterday.
year?
ఓకే.
Madam.
ఎస్, హూస్ దట్ మేడం?
Sometimes.
మేడం, ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ ఇంటరప్ట్ ఎనీ వన్. ఎవ్వరూ ఇంటరప్ట్ చేయకండి. లెట్ దెమ్ సే బై దేర్ ఓన్. వాళ్ళని అరేంజ్ చేయనివ్వండి ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, వకులా మేడం.
Yes, ma'am.
ఆస్క్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్.
No, ma'am. Krishnaveni madam ask question.
కృష్ణవేణి మేడం హ్యాస్ టు ఆస్క్. ఓకే, కృష్ణవేణి మేడం, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? Krishnaveni madam skipped from the class, madam. Madam is not there in the class. Okay, done. Next, who didn't say, madam? All are said no. Right. Now, next question, guys. Next question is does question. Okay, this is the first question. Now, second question is does. Does is using for he, she, it. Okay, but you don't say he, she, it. You have to say here instead of he, she, it, names. Okay, so does Ramu same as eat non-veg sometimes? So V1 only again. So yes is a positive answer, no is a negative answer. So Ramu తింటాడా అన్నప్పుడు రాము తింటాడు అనాలి కదా. సో రాము. నౌ V1 ప్లస్ SRES. ఇక్కడ ఈట్ అని ఉంది కదా. ఈట్ ప్లస్ ఎస్, ఈట్స్. రాము ఈట్స్ నాన్ వెజ్ సమ్ టైమ్స్. ఇక్కడ V1 ప్లస్ SRES ఈ ఒక్క చోట్లోనే వస్తుంది గైస్. యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్ దట్. నెక్స్ట్ నో రాము. So what is the question? Does question it is, right? So here you have to use doesn't. Whenever you use doesn't, use again V1 only. What is V1? Eat non-veg sometimes. Does Ramu eat non-veg sometimes? Yes, Ramu eats non-veg sometimes. Ramu doesn't eat non-veg sometimes. Here you have to pronounce clearly. Okay? Right? Anyone unmute and anyone prepare a question and answers and ask your companion, ask your friend. Do it fast, guys.
Madam.
Yes, ma'am. Rajita ma'am again.
Madam.
Yes, madam. Whom are
I
you
ask-
asking?
Baleshwari madam.
Okay, Baleshwari madam. Rajita madam is asking. Mangamma madam, mute your device please. మేడం మీరు అలా అన్మ్యూట్ చేస్తే క్లాస్లో మీ టీవీ సౌండ్ వినపడుతుంది, అన్నీ వినపడతాయి, మీ ఫ్యాన్ సౌండ్ కూడా వినపడుతుంది. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ మ్యూట్ యువర్ డివైస్. ఎస్. ఓకే, బాలేశ్వరి మేడం, ఆర్ యూ రెడీ నా?
Yes, ma'am.
ఎస్. ఓకే మ్యామ్, యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్. రజిత మ్యామ్.
Does Sam go to morning walk every day?
Yes. Sam goes to morning work every day.
ఎస్.
No, Ramu doesn't go to morning walk every day.
Yes, correct, madam. Now, Baleshwari madam, your turn to ask a question.
Yes, madam. Does Akhil go to hospital sometimes?
No, madam, don't use go. You have to change the verb, please. Just now,
Yes,
madam asked you go, right?
Does Akhil watch mobile sometimes? Does Akhil watch mobile sometimes?
Yes, Akhil watches mobile sometimes. No, Akhil doesn't watch mobile sometimes.
Yes, correct, madam. Both of you good. Good, guys. You understood nicely. Happy
Thank
for
you,
you. Next, anyone, guys, anyone unmute. Rajita ma'am and
Ma'am,
Baleshwari madam, mute your
Does
devices, please.
Nageshwari went to temple every day?
Shivakumar sir, whom are you asking?
Venkataya sir.
Okay, Venkataya sir just joined, I think so.
Yes, Vakula ma'am, madam.
Okay, your wish, sir. If they unmute, I don't have
Okay.
any issue. Yes.
I passed the question to Vakula ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Once again, repeat, Shiva. Does Nageshwari go temple every day? Yes, Nageshwari go to temple every day. No, doesn't. No, Rajeshwari doesn't go to temple every day.
Sir, are they correct answers? Shivakumar sir.
Yes, ma'am. I asked a question, ma'am.
Sir?
Ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, 1 minute. Yeah. Shivakumar sir, tell me.
No, ma'am. Aruna ma'am asking.
Okay, Aruna, question is goes or
Madam.
does go or goes?
Madam.
Madam, once repeat question and answers again, please.
Does Nageshwari go to temple every day?
Yes, correct.
Vakula ma'am say the answer.
Okay.
Vakula ma'am.
Guys, why are you not responding? Yes.
Yes, Nageshwari go to.
Madam?
Yes. Ma'am,
Sir, 1 minute. Madam is saying answer. 1 minute, please. Yes. Ma'am.
Madam, does buffalo eat grass every day?
Where is this answer? Madam, they are doing conversation. No, they didn't say. Vakula madam didn't say her sentences, answers.
Yes, madam.
Vakula madam, say answers fastly.
Yes, Nageshwari go to temple every day.
Madam, I am saying that answer is wrong. See here. Whenever you use he, she, it, you have to say V1 after yes or yes.
Goes.
Madam, don't explain, please.
Goes.
Anyone. Don't explain anyone. Don't explain. Let them clarify their own. వాళ్ళంతట వాళ్ళు తెలుసుకుంటే they'll correct their sentences. If we say like that, they don't understand. Okay. So, see here, Madam, Vakula
Yes,
Madam.
Nageshwari goes to temple.
Ah.
Yes, Nageshwari goes to temple every day.
Yes, Madam. Negative.
No, Nageshwari don't.
Don't.
Yes, Nageshwari
Don't, Madam.
Doesn't go to temple every day.
Yes, Madam. You had to look at the board. You had to look at the board and alert and answer. Okay, correct now. Now your questions are completed. No, both are asked each other. No.
No, ma'am.
Vakla
Ma'am
madam
not
has to
asking
ask
me.
Shivakumar sir. Yes, Vakla madam, ask your question fastly. Sorry, fast. Madam, look at the board and arrange a question. Does, name, verb 1, object, time word.
Madam, I can asking ma'am. Does Radha go to Madam, does Radha go to market every Saturday?
Yes, Radha goes to market every Saturday. No, Radha doesn't go to market every Saturday.
Yes, correct, sir. Madam, correct. Okay, both of you mute your devices now. Next, Aruna madam, your turn is completed, I think so, right, madam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next, anyone, guys, who didn't ask this question, who didn't say the answers?
Madam, I can ask a question, madam. Mangama, madam, one also not saying, madam. One member also not asking, madam.
Yes. Okay, Mangamma madam. Now, Aruna madam only
Shall I ask
asking
the
to
question
Mangamma
for
madam.
Mangama, ma'am?
Aruna madam is asking now to Mangamma madam.
Okay, ma'am. Mangama, madam. Mangama, madam. Tell me, madam. Does Pragya write an email
Time word, madam.
yesterday, madam?
No, how can you say yesterday? This is daily routine, no? Repeating action.
Yes.
Repeat it again
Yes,
your
madam.
question along with time word, madam. Proper time word. Aruna madam, repeat your question again, please.
Does buffalo eat grass
Every day.
every day, ma'am?
Mangamma madam has to answer now.
Yes, buffalo eats grass every day. No, buffalo doesn't eat grass every day.
Yes, correct, madam. Good. Okay. Guys, your homework is you have to say fast sentences. Don't break your sentences. Okay, now you are saying, but you are hesitating. Okay. So here, this is the final. This is revision. I told you, no. So you have to say sentence as fast as you can. Finish the sentence as fast. ఓకే సాధ్యమైనంత ఫాస్ట్గా చెప్పండి సాధ్యమైనంత క్లియర్గా చెప్పండి గైస్ సో యువర్ హోంవర్క్ ఈస్ టుడేస్ హోంవర్క్ డూ యూ డూ వి డూ దే క్వశ్చన్స్ డస్ హీ డస్ షీ డస్ ఇట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఓకే విత్ డిఫరెంట్ వర్బ్ ఫార్మ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు అరేంజ్ అండ్ రైట్ పాజిటివ్ నెగటివ్ ఆన్సర్స్ రికార్డ్ అండ్ సెండ్ మీ ఓకే అరేంజ్ 6 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఓకే 3 are do questions 3 are does questions okay guys.
Ma'am, we already did that homework, ma'am.
Yes, madam, but he now also hesitating, now also not saying proper time word, no? No, madam. So, time words I'll ask, guys, time words you have to remember in next class I'll ask you time words. Okay, na? Tell me anyone some time words of daily routine without seeing. ఎక్కడ చూడకుండా కొన్ని టైం వర్డ్స్ చెప్పండి anyone don't turn back
Sometimes read, speak, every day, sometimes every month, every year, every month, every Sunday,
okay
every Sunday,
okay
next month, next week,
next madam this is repeating see మేడం మీకు క్లారిటీ రావడం లేదు యూ హ్యావ్ టు లిజన్ దీస్ ఆర్ డైలీ రొటీన్ ఓకే డైలీ రొటీన్ అంటే రిపీటింగ్ టైం వర్డ్ ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ అంటే నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ వస్తుందా? సో మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ వచ్చేది, మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ జరిగేది. ఓకే, ఎవ్రీడే, డైలీ, రెగ్యులర్లీ, జనరల్లీ, సమ్ టైమ్స్, రేర్లీ, సెల్డమ్, ఆఫెన్, అకేషన్, ఇలా చెప్పేయాలి. ఒక్కరే అన్నీ చెప్పగలిగి ఉండాలి.
occasionally.
వెయిట్ మేడం, ఓకే, ఒక్కరే అన్నీ చెప్పగలిగి ఉండాలి ఫాస్ట్గా. దట్ మచ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఓకే, అంటే ఏదైనా నేర్చుకుంటే పర్ఫెక్ట్గా నేర్చుకోవాలి. వీ హ్యావ్ టు కమాండ్ దాట్, రైట్? సో దట్స్ యువర్ హోంవర్క్ గైస్. ఐ నీడ్ perfect sentences from everyone. Okay, so arrange properly.